You're watching the Warren Cook Marathon.
Yay, I made it through a week being grounded, but I am so bored. Oh, I think I'll watch a Disney movie. Actually, maybe. I heard about this movie called Guardians of the Galaxy. Maybe I'll give it a shot. Dad, I want to see the movie.
Wait. You're not seeing a Disney movie? Wow, I'm so proud of you for trying something new. Go by yourself, I insist.
Blake, I'm very disappointed in you. Not only did you see Transformers Age of Extinction, but you also refused to take off your headphones. They do not allow them in the theater.
These were given to me at birth, father. You still cannot seem to understand that. Obviously because you were not there. Mom said this was a gift from God. But now she is dead.
Well, we're going home, and you are not seeing Guardians of the Galaxy next weekend. Instead you will be in your room doing schoolwork, like you should.
No. No, bullcrap, no. The staff here at GoAnimate Pan Cinemas apologizes for the delay. We're sorry, but there was a misunderstanding with the schedule. So how may I help you?
I would like one teen ticket to see Guardians of the Galaxy. I would also like a medium popcorn with extra butter with some spicy seasoning as well. I want a large regular Pepsi with that as well, and I want a hot dog with mustard and onions. Finally, I would like a box of Milk Duds and 2 packets of dark chocolate M&Ms.
Yes. Coming right up. One moment please.
I wonder where the cash register is.
Your order is ready.
Thank you. Wow, I came very early. Nice a front row seat. That has to be one of the best movies I've seen in like a while. Time for some delicious chicken.
Welcome to Go Food Express. How may I take your order?
I would like the 8-piece bucket of extra crispy chicken wings, 2 small fries, a caramel white chocolate sundae, and a medium orange Fanta.
Here is your order.
Thank you.
No. I wanted strawberry shortcake, not strawberry shortcake.
You are eating your food, so eat it.
No, I do not want it,
Caillou, if you do not eat your dinner, I will force you to watch The Big Bang Theory on TBS.
That's it. I'm trashing the joint. Hey director. Look at my beautiful face. I am so sexy. Make a movie out of me. Movie.
Caillou, stop looking at the camera like an idiot.
Who wants to kiss me? Kiss me. Want another look at my beautiful face?
Caillou, get over here right now.
You are grounded.
No.